Hello and welcome to Guess the Animal with Minimal Clue.
I'm minimal these clues.
This one goes up trees and in jungle will sound like
A snake.
wonderful. Well, this is my middle name and also my last, and it also goes like roar.
And? Oh, sorry.
Roar.
Tiger.
Tiger. If I had a horn here, then what would I be?
Rhinoceros.
Correct. And for the final one, this is an animal that comes in black and white. It comes in a different color.
Panda.
Name this animal.
Panda.
Yes, a different color. Panda.
Red panda.
That's correct. And that is